Come on! I want to dispatch him and put it in. Hello guys. The weather is good. Another reason to go fishing. The tide is rising. So today I will target mackerel. Mackerel on a lure. I have some sabiki rig as well, but I'll start with the lure because lure is pure. Last time I was here I caught plenty of them, so I'll give it a try today. This time I'll film the event. The sea conditions are nice, so I think it will be a success, but you never know with fishing. So let's give it a try. Now I'll do a bit of parkour on these boulders. Let's find the spot. Yeah, that's the spot. Hop. And we are in. I have my cooler box, the rod, which is a favorite X1. I like these rods. Action 7 to 26 grams, so you can cast a pretty heavy lure. Heavy, it's not that heavy, but heavy enough. Montăm arbaleta. I'm mounting the gun of choice, and there's the new reel, Shimano Naski. I think it's Naski. I heard so many ways of saying that. So pink fluorocarbon leader. This type of leader is becoming more and more popular. So apparently the transparent fluorocarbon, once it's scratched, it's visible in the water, but this pink one, even though it's scratched, is less visible. So whatever helps. Hopefully my rod won't end up in the water. Haha! Look what I found. I found it. There you go. But I didn't fry it, did I? We'll see. So let's use the one that I fixed. I had one and it broke. I hit it on one of these rocks, and I repaired it. Somehow that made me feel good. And I made a new hole. They're made of brass. That's brass, and you have nickel coating. So it's not polished stainless steel. It's just brass, nickel coated. I wonder if that would be more expensive to have these made of stainless steel. New treble hook, sharp and ready. Now let's see, I'll cast it all the way to France and retrieve it. Okay, cast number one. There you go. Let's see if we have a fish or not. Let it sink a bit. The tide is rising, so mackerel swims very fast, so their bait can swim fast as well. So if you jig it pretty strong, they will attack it. So you don't have to be slow or too methodic with mackerel. Mackerel is an aggressive feeder. Once they choose to feed, you can put even a rag on a treble hook and you'll catch fish with it. I can't see any bait fish in the water. Usually there's so many. Maybe the sun is too bright, too hot. These days we had such an amazing weather. It doesn't feel like Ireland. Vámonos, cabalitos. Hi to Jorge, mi amigo de España, de Fuerteventura. The other day he showed me how to tie a few knots and how to tie cyst hooks. So soon enough we'll have all the materials ready, and I'll tie my own assist hooks using his indications. At the beginning of September I'll be back in Fuerteventura with him. Hopefully we'll have another great video for you guys. The last one that we had in Fuerteventura is the most popular clip on this channel. It has, oh, fish on! It has almost 1,000 viewers. We have a fish. I think, oh, I lost it. That was a nice mackerel. They're here though, that's a good sign. Maybe I'll put something smaller with a smaller treble hook, but they're definitely here. See? Put it here. Dry. And we have this battered one. I caught maybe 50 mackerel with this. It's a mackerel killer. The mackerel destroyer, the mackerel slayer. The freezer stacker. And it casts like a bullet. You can buy them from Amazon, Temu, your local fishing store. They're very, very common. Temu, AliExpress. The guy at the corner of the street selling ice cream, he has one of these as well. Come on, mackerel. You can do it. Cabalito. Cabala. In Spanish it's called cabala. Look at that lure working in the water. I bet so many anglers had this in mind. If I was fish, I would bite it. Well, myself included. Come on then. What are you doing? Soon I'll have new fishing knobs for the reel, bigger and easier to control. Again, Jorge, thank you. If you're an angler, it's so good to have someone to share some information with, or someone to share interest with. You don't feel alone in all this social thing that it seems that the world suffers from. I know my English is not the best, who cares? Come on. I'll just retrieve it. The current is moving from left to right. Just a couple of months ago that heel burned. That's braehead, I guess. due to unsupervised barbecue fires and so on. I have a fish on. What's that? Is that a mackerel? Looks like. Looks like a mackerel. Yes, the mackerel. There you go. First mackerel of the day. I want to dispatch him and put it in the bucket there and share it with friends and family. Oh Lord. How you got yourself in this? Oh, ay, ay, ay. Then you kill him. So if you don't have a knife, just do that with the head. Take the gills off. See how it bleeds out, and the fish is the meat is better. Now I'll put some water. Questionable practices. You can take some water out of the sea with it. Clean your hands. Take a new bucket of water for the cooler. See, the fish is dead. And put some water. Bit more, and I'll close it because it's very handy to clean your hands after you caught a fish, clean the blood and so on. Okay, so they're here. Now we know. Let it sink. So I got a bit of salad. Don't think mackerel like salad though. Now that everything is set, when I'll catch the next fish, it won't take that long to prepare. Just kill him, break the gills so he'll bleed out, wash my hands and continue. Fish on! Okay. That's a tiny pollock. Well, you're going back to water, my friend. You're too small. The bigger fish, I think it's a bigger pollock. Oh, it fights pretty strong. Oy, 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 oy. He went into the kelp. Come on, go out. Oh, he snagged me. Oh, yeah, go out. Yeah, I lost it. That was a big pollock. Happens. I felt the head shakes, so it's not something that I imagine. Okay. Hopefully I won't catch one of these guys. That was a decent pollock. Usually they tend to do that. They will try to go into the kelp for cover, and if they snag you, Oh, fish on. I think this is a mackerel, by the way it fights. Yeah. It's a nice fish. Uy. Uy. Oh, caballero, vámonos. En la bolsa. Okay, so same thing. Dispatch him. Instant death. And break the gills to bleed out. Fast and simple. As I was saying, the pollock will snag you. So when that happens with the pollock, all you have to do is give him a bit of line, and if you're lucky, you might recover the fish, as they tend to swim. But every now and then you lose it, as it happened to me. Now you have new regulation with the pollock, so your day limit is three fish regardless of the dimension. So I would say those that are, let's say, 30 centimeters, around 30 centimeters. If they're bigger, they tend to have parasites, and if you want to eat them, that's not the best idea. Even though I did a bit of a Google research, and it seems like those parasites are not harmful to humans. But regardless, I wouldn't like to eat a parasitic fish. So let's say dinner plate pollock, it's better than a really good big one, at least from my perspective. Fish on. I think it's a pollock again. Oh, don't get me into the kelp again. I won't let you this time. Come on. It's a pollock. Oh, quite a big one. Oh, yeah. Come on, relax. Oh, yeah. Oh, fucking hell. That's a big one. Oh. Oh. That's a decent pollock there. So you're going back to water, my friend. There you go. Thanks for the fight. Oh Jesus, that was nice. I'm only holding for mackerel today, so I release any other species, but mackerel, no. If I catch you, you're going into my freezer. I think I'll have to try another leader because it's pretty battered. I was not filming in the best angle ever, but it is what it is. Look what the last pollock did to the treble hook. Bent it pretty bad. So I'll need a new one. I usually don't reband the hook because it will just break next time. I'll just change it. It's been an hour since I cast the last fish. No activity whatsoever. So I think I'll call it a day and go home. So this is the last cast. I'll jig it, see if I entice any fish to bite, but I doubt. I've been doing this for a while now. Well, that's it, guys. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad today. I caught a few pollock, 2 mackerels. I lost one, but as the day progressed, the activity decreased. So I'll go home, clean the ones that I got here in the box, and put them in the frying pan. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.